What's up, YouTube? What's going on? It's your boy Jay Story. Here I am once again. I'm at work and about to deliver this washer and dryer. And as I'm looking at it, it reminds me of a funny story. So here we go. One day, my father and I went to go make a delivery. It was a washer and a dryer. And the way we work is, I would stay outside and I would take the product off the truck. I would uncrate it. He would go inside, make nice with the customer, and start disconnecting the old units. Well, this particular day, we made a delivery to an Asian woman. And as we were making the delivery, my father, who's Mexican also, it was a battle of the accents, if you would. So they somehow got an understanding. Everybody knew what was going on. My dad walks in, he begins to disconnect the washing machine, and I'm outside. As he's disconnecting the washing machine, he starts to notice that this Asian woman is over him, meaning my dad's behind the machine and she's watching every single move that he does. And you know, I understand, we're in a stranger's home, you don't know us, we don't know you, I get it. But sometimes people, when you get a home delivery, you gotta give the delivery guy some space and you gotta let him do what he's gotta do. So anyways, the lady's watching over him, asking my dad all kinds of questions. What's that for? What are you doing now? What's the name of that tool? You know, and it's going on and on. My dad's getting really annoyed. So I come into the house, the washing machine is disconnected, I take it out, and my dad starts to begin to work on the dryer. Same thing, the lady's over the dryer, she's watching my dad, she's asking questions. So my dad gets upset. He comes up with an idea. My dad decides to look at her and tell her, listen, I'm about to disconnect your gas line. I just want to warn you, when I disconnect this gas line, sometimes there's an odor. And it's not a pleasant one, so you might want to leave the room. And she says, no, that's okay. I watch. And so my dad says, okay. So my dad goes to disconnect the gas line, he turns the valve off, disconnects the line. And wouldn't you know it, as he disconnects the line, he passes gas. We're talking about human gas now. So now, this woman who's watching my father over the dryer, she starts taking in deep breaths. And let me tell you, it's not good. She's sitting there going, ooh, that's stinky. Ooh, that's stinky. And my dad is trying to keep the straightest face. He's trying to be professional. Yes, ma'am, that's why I told you if you could leave the room, please. Ooh, I need to open window. So my dad starts giggling a little bit. He goes, yeah. So she opens the windows in the room. It's a small little laundry room. And she tells my dad, how can you stand this? This bad. And my dad goes, oh, I have many years doing this job, so, you know, I'm used to the smell now. This poor woman. So I walk in to get the dryer out of the laundry room onto the truck, and I walk in with the new washing machine. This lady is literally coughing. She's got tears coming out of her eyes, and it's right before I walk into the laundry room, I can smell it. I can't believe what I'm smelling, and it's not the natural gas odor, that's for sure. I look over at my dad, and my dad's got this smirk, this grin on his face. I could not believe it. So I took my shirt, put it over my nose like this. I dropped off the washing machine, picked up the dryer, and walked out. Finally, the lady left us and made our delivery. She left us alone. But I'll never forget that. We got back in the truck and man, we had a really good laugh. I just can't believe it. So customers, if you're expecting delivery of appliances or furniture, give us some space, please. We need the space. Let us do what we do best. All right, everybody.